Well, hi everybody! Now that 2018 is almost over, I want to thank all of you for making it a very good year here for us at Box Yourself. Let's have a look at some of our 2018 videos. The old-fashioned Shophouse was popular with those who like miniature houses. It's a series of 6 that shows you how to make a complete shophouse with a family and pets in detail. Another monumental video series is the 3-part cardboard castle. Now that's a series that deserves more views. It's perfect for all those that love princesses and fairy tales. For Easter, we launched a Dinosaur Egg. Shows you how to turn an ordinary Easter egg into a dinosaur head. Now that's something you shouldn't miss. And did you catch this one? The talking selfie. Now you can make a cartoon out of yourself and your friends and play with them afterwards. And seriously folks, now I really need your help to get the numbers up a bit on a really good video. So few people have seen that me and the team at Box Yourself got a world record at the Guinness Book of World Records. We and our partners built a huge Viking ship out of just cardboard boxes and sailed it on a lake. The Vikings helped me to build it, but I couldn't let them on board. The last mega huge box blockbuster series is Box City. Here you can build your very own city inside the box. Then you can invent people, pets, superheroes and play with them. Now that's a city that we can have a lot of fun with in 2019. Happy New Year everybody! See you for more fun in 2019. Thank you for watching my video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe so that you won't miss hundreds of other episodes and future episodes and other episodes that is coming quite soon.